Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and a special thanks to my channel members for helping support this channel through difficult times. It's been very chaotic. But today I want to review two Eva Nyc products. I've recently ranked a whole bunch of their products, all the ones that I own, and I got these after I had already filmed that video, so I will link that up in the cards as well as down below if you want to know more about their shampoos, their conditioners, hair masks, their styling products. These are different. Like, they're styling products, but they're both holographic hairsprays. One of them is like a rose spray, one of them is a gold one. These are 1.5 ounces of product. They have that same classic Eva Nyc scent. They're just like glitter sprays, and this reminds me of my childhood. It reminds me of Halloween time when I would go to Dwayne Reed or Walgreens and there would be like these glittery hairsprays that would leave my hair a little sticky, but it would be very glittery and fun for Halloween. Halloween is my favorite holiday, and it still is, even though I am almost 30. Oh, my earring just dropped. Did you see that? That was really weird. Anyway, it's back in place. Now let's talk about these sprays. So like I said, Halloween's my favorite holiday. It's my favorite season. It's my favorite everything. So I love these. They have a glittery shine to them, and I'm gonna spray them both, but I really can't tell the difference between both colors. So we're gonna do the rosé on this one and the gold on this one. The good thing about this, it doesn't leave it crunchy or anything. Ooh. Okay. I don't know if the camera is going to even pick up on that because it's so light, but when you spray it, you kind of see it in the air a little. So that's the rosé one. So it says 6 to 8 inches. It says shake well. Oops, I did not do that. I swear I've been using this product. 6 to 8 inches away from dry hair and spray. Let me shake that again. I feel like it's kind of hard to see on camera. There's also an airplane flying by. Sorry about that. And let's do the gold one. It smells so good though that it almost doesn't even matter, but I can definitely see it in person and I can see it in the air. So we're gonna spray it in the air in a little bit just so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is gonna be the gold one. Look at the camera. I'm not gonna be able to see whether I can tell if it's on camera until I can edit this into my iMac computer. But I really like them. They're a lot of fun. Let's spray them in the air and see if the camera will pick up on that. Do you see it? You see the sparkles? Maybe not. Maybe it's not picking up. But either way, I like these. These are fun. You know, there's really not much to say. They're like for parties, going out, festivals. I don't know. I don't do any of that, but nonetheless, it's fun to have. And for Halloween, definitely gonna do that. And like I said, it doesn't leave the hair crunchy. My hair's a little tangled right now just because I hate brushing my hair, and when I have it curly, I never brush it, so it's like not a habit that I have ingrained in me. But it doesn't leave it crunchy. It doesn't dry with a weird, you know, kind of residue. It does say to watch out for clothes when you're spraying it because it can get all over clothes and stuff like that. I don't really care because this is just a little dress. But overall, I think they're a lot of fun. I think they're very cute. And I know they have another one that I've never seen in person. I barely even see these in person. I'm not sure. But I did place an order recently on Eva Nyc, like their actual website, for some hair products. So I am excited to buy some stuff with my own money and kind of see how I feel. I forgot to mention that these were given to me for free a few weeks ago, and I've been using them, but there's just not much to say about glitter sprays, but they are a lot of fun. I mean, this whole thing was fun, even though I still see some glitter particles in the air. But yeah, that's a really quick video right there. If you have any requests for hair products that you would like me to try out, aside from Eva Nyc, I definitely would love to hear. I'm always trying new things. I do have to do a recap soon on how my curlsmith journey has been going with my curly hair. Not great. That's a spoiler, but I do have a couple reviews headed this way, especially with curly hair. But in any case, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it, and I will see you very soon with another video. Stay safe out there, and until next time, bye.